Hey, it's Cassandra with Prince George Ford. We're here at the Pre-Owned Supercenter, and today we're having a look at this 2015 Ford Fiesta in an SE trim. Little 5-door hatchback, great economical choice if you're looking for a economical commuter zipping back and forth to work or to school. This is going to be a great option. Super easy to park, nice little compact car. Does qualify for our Ford Certified Pre-Owned program, so that guarantees it hasn't been in any accidents. And then there's lots of other great incentives. I highly suggest you phone in, talk to one of our product specialists about what that means for you. Into the back seat here, you can see we have this black cloth upholstery, durable, easy to care for. Your passengers back here have a 12-volt power source as well as a cup holder and a little bit of storage. Have a look into the back hatch here. Surprisingly spacious back here. Your seats do fold down to almost flat, giving you lots of flexible storage options back here. Into your front seat, you've got power locks, power mirrors, power windows, bottle holder with a little bit of door storage there, manually adjusting seats for both driver and your passenger. Having a look at our dash here, you can see this unit is sitting at 68,490 kilometers. You have infotainment and Bluetooth controls on the left-hand side of your steering wheel. On the right-hand side, cruise control. Great little LED screen here showing you your info, your entertainment info, showing you directional info, and a whole bunch of other things. And you can scroll through here. It's going to show you lots of different stuff. Got a nice, easy layout for your entertainment controls. You've got AM, FM radio, CD, auxiliary, everything you're going to want to have in here. Then down below, a really great, simple layout for your HVAC system as well. You've got that digital readout there of your temperature, fan speed, as well as temperature is all on this turn dials here, giving you an actual digital temperature readout. And then you've got heated seats for both your driver and your passenger. A little bit of storage there in front of your gear shifter. You've got a 12-volt power source and a USB connection just behind, along with your cup holders, and then a great little center console here for some more flexible storage. So if you're in the market for a great little economical commuter car, give us a call, 250-563-8111, or stop on by and visit us, and let's see what we can get you into today. Thanks for watching.